Hello students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 2 from Science 1, periodic classification of elements. Initially we are going to have a revision and then we'll discuss some multiple choice questions over here. See, there are total 118 elements and these elements are classified on the basis of their properties over here. See, the first person who tried to classify them is Dobereiner. So let us discuss about Dobereiner's tried. Dobereiner classified the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses into groups of 3 elements each, which is called as a triad. In each triad, the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the average atomic mass of other 2 elements. But then what is the drawback? That he could not arrange all the elements which were known at that time in this form. The next scientist who tried to carry out a classification was Newland. So let us talk about Newland's octave and its limitation. Newland arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. He found that every 8th element has similar properties as that of the first. This is known as law of octave. Example, sodium showed similarity to the lithium and magnesium showed similarity to the beryllium and chlorine showed similarity with fluorine. But still there were some drawbacks in his arrangement. See, cobalt and nickel, actually they are the metals but they have been placed along with fluorine, chlorine and bromine, which are nothing but halogens. Similarly, iron, which is having same properties as that of cobalt and nickel because it is metal, it was placed along with non-metals like oxygen and sulfur, and all the known elements at that time we could not be arranged in this. Mendeleev was the another scientist who tried to classify the elements. Mendeleev's periodic law states that the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses according to their chemical properties. Mendeleev even predicted the existence of some yet to be discovered elements on the basis of gaps in his periodic table. Example, Ika boron, atomic mass 44. Later on it was named as scandium. Ika aluminium, atomic mass 68, found to be as gallium. Ika silicon 72, later on germanium. Zero group was created without disturbing the table to put the noble gases, that is helium, neon, argon, after their discovery. Here are some drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. See, there was an ambiguity for sequence of cobalt and nickel as their whole number atomic masses are same. There was no separate places for isotopes as isotopes were discovered later. As rise in the atomic masses is not uniform, it is difficult to predict the number of elements present between the 2 elements. Then there was an ambiguity about position of an hydrogen because it shows the properties which are very similar to halogen as well as similar to alkali metal. These problems are overcome with the introduction of modern periodic table. Moseley discovered that atomic number is a fundamental property of the element. Modern periodic table is based on this law only. It states that the chemical and physical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number. In modern periodic table, 118 elements are arranged in 18 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods. Elements thus arranged show periodicity of properties including atomic size, valency or combining capacity and metallic and non-metallic character. It is divided into 4 blocks. S block. It includes group 1 and 2 elements. P block, group 13 to 18. D block, group 3 to 12, also known as transition elements. F block, lanthanides, actinides. There is a zigzag line in the P block elements which separates the metal, which is on the left side, and non-metals on the right side. The metalloids lie along the line. Now we have to see certain properties associated with this modern periodic table. The first one is a valence electron. In a period, the number of valence electron increases from 1 to 8 from left to the right, but shell number will remain the same. See, this is the example of second period. You can see the elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. The atomic number is increasing from 3 to 10 over here. In outermost orbit, you will see that electrons are increasing just by 1, but over here shell is a second shell only. But when we talk about a vertical column, what we call as a group, you will find valence electron, that is nothing but the electron present in the outermost orbit remains same, but shell number will change. For example, over here hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. This is a group 1. Here you can see the atomic number and electronic configuration. There is only first shell. Over here the outermost electron is 1. Here outermost electron is 1, but it is in second shell. Here it is in third shell and here it is in the fourth shell. So here outermost electron, that is valence electron, will remain same, but the shell goes on increasing. Now we are going to discuss about valency. Valency is nothing but the number of electrons required in the outermost orbit to achieve the duet or octet. If we consider a second period, that is from lithium to carbon, you will find the number of electrons required to achieve the stability goes on increasing as 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from nitrogen to neon, you will find it goes on decreasing as 3, 2, 1, 0. In the same manner, if we go for a group, you will find the valency will remain same over here. I am talking about the first group, and you will find the number of extra electrons required for achieving the stability over here is 1. So valency in the group remains same. Atomic size is nothing but a atomic radius. It is a distance between the nucleus and the outermost orbit. If we consider a second period, then you will find atomic size goes on decreasing from left to the right, because number of electron goes on increasing, and as a result atomic size goes on decreasing. Same manner, if we talk about a group, you will find atomic size goes on increasing in the downward direction. Now you have to remember this diagram which talks about periodic trends in an element. See, as we move from left to the right in a period, you will find there is a decrease in the atomic radius. As a result, there is increase in the electronegativity and non-metallic character. In other words, there is a decrease in electropositivity and metallic character. If we move in downward direction in the group, then there is increase in the atomic radius, which causes decrease in electronegativity and non-metallic character, and increase in electropositivity and the metallic character. Now we are going to talk about halogen family. It includes group 17 elements. General formula is X2 plus 2 elements, that is fluorine and chlorine, they are the gases, whereas bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid. These are the important topics from this chapter which you have to remember. Now we are going to start with some multiple choice questions over here. Law of triad is given by. Options are A. Dobereiner, B. Mendeleev, C. Newland, D. Moseley. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. Dobereiner. Newland gave a law of A. Octave, B. Triad, C. Modern periodic table, D. None of these. Your time starts now. The correct option is A. Octave. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, properties of the element depends upon its A. Atomic number, B. Atomic mass, C. Neutron number, D. All above. Your time starts now. The correct option is B. Atomic mass. Element Eka-boron from Mendeleev's periodic table is later on named as A. Scandium, B. Aluminium, C. Germanium, D. Gallium. Here is your time starts. The correct answer is A. Scandium. Dash was named as Eka aluminium in Mendeleev's periodic table. A. Boron, B. Gallium, C. Silicon, D. Germanium. Here is your time. The correct answer is B, gallium. In Mendeleev's periodic table, noble gas belongs to A, 0 group, B, 4th group, C, 1st group, D, 8th group. Here is the time starts. The correct answer is A, 0 group. The atomic number of an element corresponds to positive charge on the nucleus. This was experimentally demonstrated by A. Moseley, B. Mendeleev, C. Newland, D. Dobereiner. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Moseley. Group 1 and 2 belong to A. P block, B. S block, C. D block, D. F block. Here is your time. Just try to guess what will be the correct answer over here. And the correct answer is B. S block. On moving from left to the right in a periodic table, the size of the atom A increases, B decreases, C decreases first and then increases, D does not change. Your time starts now. The answer is B decreases. Dash is in liquid form of halogen family. Options are A. Iodine, B. Fluorine, C. Bromine, D. Chlorine. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Bromine. Thank you for listening the information. But before that, please do not forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. If you like this information, please click on the bell icon. Thank you once again.